The big game is fast approaching, but wait, you still haven't got your tickets. You've spent hours searching, but you're still confused about ticket prices. Time to stop searching. Visit ticketcompare.com. We compare ticket prices for all the popular leagues and tournaments for you. We work only with the most trustworthy sites, so you can have peace of mind when buying your tickets. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
Good evening.
What was your reaction to that today?
I think just about this game. I think, of course, it's a big disappointment at the end because we were leading on this game a lot of time. Of course, this great team have had some opportunity in the first half. We did defended well with quality. Perhaps we like it a little more after the regain possession, a little more the ball to keep the ball a little more. But we created them some problems. It was a fantastic start with this goal, a fantastic goal. But the player made the difference this afternoon with Salah. I think with second goal, it was not a chance. He created himself this chance with his quality, and yeah, it's difficult. It's difficult because we have had the feeling to come back at home with a good result this afternoon. Of course, we played a good team against a fantastic player. They can make the difference like Salah anytime. But well, I think we deserved something about our togetherness, our unit, and yeah, I'm frustrated for my squad, and of course with all this game in the short time, now it's important to look forward, to recover, of course, for the next game, crucial game for us on Monday. And another game, but for the moment it's a big disappointment.
You seemed quite frustrated at times in the technical area, especially in the first half. Do you think the team could have done better at keeping the ball?
Yeah, it's our progress. We need to make progress about on our quality, where after the regained possession, for example, it's a fantastic hard work for all the team with togetherness, with unit, and positive outlook and hard work for each other. But now we need to have a little more possession, control of the ball, because we have had some half chances against this team with more quality, more calm. We can make also the difference, and perhaps scoring another goal. We were leading a lot of games away these last games. Often the team can come back against us. We need to have more control on the game. It's a good spirit, fantastic work for all the players, but we need to have more possession to control a little more the game, of course. But we played against a team no bad. Huh?
Great. Anything for Huddersfield on Monday?
Yeah. What's the earliest injury news? How the players after that? A lot of effort today. Quick turnaround, 48 hours for the next game.
En fonction de blessures, match 48 heures, 24 heures. On a des nouvelles sur quelques blessures, quelques doutes pour les joueurs en fonction de l'état de physique.
We will see tomorrow and the training session and the day on the day of the game on Monday, because we need to adapt with this situation, busy period for us, and we will see. For example, we lost Chilwell at the last moment. He was ill I don't know if we can, if he can come back for the next game, and we need to adapt and also squad ready for this game, crucial game for us, of course. Then we need to build a new momentum.
Has it taken on extra importance considering you've only put to 1 point in the last 4 games now?
Yeah, of course, it's not a good period for the result, of course, but perhaps just against Crystal Palace, it was not enough in our play, in our togetherness and quality. But all the game we gave our best all the time, and we played in a short time against Manchester City and Cup, 120 minutes. Until the penalty, we made a draw against Manchester United. We played Liverpool, and it's difficult in a short time to play this team, and sometimes with possibility to come back with a good result. And it's the same feeling, for example, for this game. Of course, we played a good team. They are a good team, but we have the feeling to come back with a good result, because with our fantastic spirit, good attitude, and we were leading on the game. And just frustration because with a little more quality, control of the game, perhaps we can come back with a result. But we need to continue this hard work. It's a long process. Of course, it's a short time between our games, and we are the first team, the least team in this situation to play on short time all these many games. But we need to adapt, to keep our positive attitude, and it was positive to try to beat this team this afternoon. And the feeling, this disappointment, it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling because we have had the possibility perhaps to come back, I said, with a good results. And we have, after the second goal also, some half chances to try to come back on this game until the end, like against Manchester United. It's important to keep this good attitude.
Il a dit qu'il y a une importance ajoutée maintenant pour le rencontre face à Huddersfield, étant donné qu'on a eu seulement 1 point de 3 rencontres maintenant. Ça ajoute quelque chose d'important.
Yeah, we know it's a crucial game to play the next game against Huddersfield. But I explained also this game. It was 1 point. It was not bad games. It was quality on the games with a fantastic spirit, and of course now the game at home against Huddersfield, it will be a crucial game for us.
Is there any players that were missing from the squad today that had been involved previous times? Were any of them injured, other than Chilwell you mentioned his illness? Players like Andy King,
les joueurs qui avaient figuré dernièrement, mais qui étaient absents, pas dans l'effectif aujourd'hui. Il y a des problèmes avec des blessures, comme à part de Chilwell, Andy King, Ben Alayou. Ils ont des problèmes de blessures ou ils peuvent jouer, ils peuvent être.
No, there are competition on the team. We have also like Matty James. He come back on the team also. It's competition between all the players, of course. Adrien Silva.
Il ne peut pas jouer Adrien Silva face à Huddersfield.
I don't know exactly. We will see, but he's a player. He didn't play since 6 months. I don't know. We will see.
Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.